get some videotaping. So yeah, you can see the dark areas. So yeah, I'll make sure all those areas when I'm finished. My goal is that you don't see them, but there's wear and tear, so it'll be a little.
Like 25 years old.
25 years old?
Yeah, it's carpet. Original carpet.
Original? Yeah. Well, it's going to look good. Because I know you keep it pretty clean.
Just because I still have spills this time.
But these areas, it's
going
to look pretty good. You're gonna be famous.
You're gonna be famous.
He's gonna be like me. I don't want to be famous.
I just want to be rich.
Well,
not even that. You're just healthy.
Yeah. You know what? It gets to a point where people realize that being healthy is more important than money. And I've read that so many times
You are so straight.
So I worked for you for how many years?
I can't even. I've been here 20-something. It must be 35.
About 34 at least.
At least.
34.
Yeah.
And I've cleaned your carpets for 34 years, different carpets.
That's a good thing. Hey, I got the customers 34 years.
Right. Like I was telling you.
The original carpet.
I've had other, I have other clients that I don't work for them anymore for different reasons, but I think at this point you're probably
on the top of the list.
I think you're the very, very
well,
oldest one.
You can use mine. You can do anything you want. It's fine.
Yeah.
You have my permission to.
Well, we can go on. What is it? Google, if or Yelp even. I really don't care for Yelp too much, but Google, you can put a review on there. I think Google's much better.
I remember you used to say you were on Yelp.
I'm on all of them, but I think Google seems to work better. Okay. So then when I finish, I'll take a video of this again.
Terrific.
And see how it looks. And anything personal here, I'm going to edit it, take it out.
Oh, I don't care. I'm not.
Yeah.
At my age, man, I don't edit anything.
Yeah, I'm usually a pretty private person. I don't like,
I
but.
do too, but
So this area here is already cleaned. You can see all the spots are gone, all the dirt's gone. And that way, over there, it hasn't been cleaned yet. So this is not clean, and this here is already clean. You can see the line right there from how it's dirty from there and this way. So here the carpet's starting to take shape. You can see over here where it's already clean. I clean under the sofa, I clean under there, the edges. That's a wear pattern right here. Furniture used to be here, and I clean all the edges here. I don't take any shortcuts. I don't want to waste my time coming back to clean it properly, so I do it right the first time. And here you can see where I've cleaned it, and that still has to be done. And I'm gonna make sure it looks like new. That's my goal every job. Well, thank you. So that's the finished job right there. Now it looks much lighter. Even on the film, you can see. Earlier it was, I'll show you the video of how it looked earlier. It was pretty dark. And here, that's the entrance. These dark areas right here, that's just shadows right here. That's not dirt, that's like the shade from the carpet. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's good for another 300,000 miles. Whichever comes for 3 months or 3,000 miles.
Yeah.
All right. Are you happy with the work?
I am extremely happy.
Well, thank you.
Make sure you can put that on my whatever on your Google one.
Hey, how long have I worked for you?
I was talking to Charlie about that. No, it's got to be 34, 35.
35 years.
Yeah.
And I'm still not a millionaire.
You know, we're doing fairly well on investments, but it's scary because every day you get up in the stock market and oh my God, it went down 400%.